were staying in Paris to get away from your parents. And I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall by yourself? Well, I'm wasted with someone else. Here we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything, they'll say that I was clever. And we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything, let's show them we are better.
Alright, so we are in Paris, stuck in traffic right now.
3 hours later.
Show me how it's done.
Warm, Alter.
Das ist ja wie bei Hogwarts Express, nee, Polar Express. What?
Ich auch.
Willst du hochwerfen und fangen?
Ach, der Vlog ist auf Englisch, man. Warum willst du Deutsch?
Crazy fucking Asian, man.
Do it, man.
Fucking crazy.
Do it. Oh! Damn. Oh! Shit! Okay.
Crazy, man.
So this is the apartment. We're waiting for the owner to come here and open the door. And we're basically in the middle of everything. Alright, where we at?
In Paris, man. In Paris.
Yo, we in fucking Paris, man.
We're at the Airbnb.
Now, what I want to say is we is in the Airbnb. No, it's pretty lit. Look at this. We got we got a room right here and the bath. This looks all clean now. It's like gone in like 50 seconds. So we got boy number 1 right here. What up? We got number 2. What up? He speaks French and he also does. And he is building a time lapse. What up?
I'm trying.
And this is Chang, you already know him. If you don't know him, that's Chang. We also got upstairs. We got a bed right here. And this little bathroom with, check this out. Yeah, this is going far down. We really wanted to go on the roof to start the drone because it's like critical to start a drone in Paris because it's like super illegal and we need to try to get on the roof somehow. Yo, but we live right at the Louvre. This window is blocked, alright. But we got, yo, this view.
You can see it.
It's literally, it's insane, man. It's, fuck! Hey, nee, mal im Ernst. Das war schon falsch. Ah, ja, okay. No, this view. For real? What is this? Like this picture right here. Fucking scenic. So yeah, this is the roof. It's pretty sketchy. Like to get up here. I don't know if I want to do this. I really don't know if I want to do this. But we got beautiful Paris, beautiful people. Say something in French.
Ça va bien mes potes? Abonnez Daniel Voltaire. Voltaire.
So if we got any French people,
Ouais, c'est parfait.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet,
so good. Where are we going next?
We're gonna go to the Seine, chill a bit there.
What's the Seine?
The Seine, the river
Oh.
of Paris.
It's a river in the city and it's very beautiful, apparently, with all the bridges.
Yeah.
And also we got golden hour going on right now, so we just wrapped a 30-minute photo shoot with this beautiful location. Eiffel Tower right there, golden hour. Got some amazing shots, so be sure to check out Instagram to see all the shots.
The next day.
It is like, yeah, it's about 7:40 in the morning. Everyone is still asleep. Look at this. Yo, this apartment is a mess. Everybody's sleeping up there. But this is so beautiful at this hour. Wow, check this out. The streets are like kinda empty.
Alright, today we're going to visit
Keine Ahnung, wie es heißt.
Lafayette. That's like a viewing platform over the city, and after that we're going to go to this church. It's like on the island.
Sacré-Cœur. Name Notre-Dame, Notre-Dame.
No, I think it could be Notre-Dame. It's a church. I don't care. We're going there. We're walking there. So let's go. We just wrapped up some shooting with the glide cam.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. And now we're going to check out some more location. What's that sign mean?
It's a sea turtle, bitch. Sea turtle.
Alright, so today's the last day, and the last day is already over. So we're right now on our way back home to Germany. I haven't vlogged much in the past 2 days, so I've vlogged like when it was in Aachen and the first day in Paris and a little bit of the second day. So I'll figure I'll just put it in one Paris vlog, maybe something like that. So yeah, now when I get home I'm working on that final edit. If anything happens, I'll let you know. Until then, peace.
If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.